The Evil Sons is the speediest, crumpiest of all the Orc clans. Red Uns go faster, and the Evil Sons notice the best of all the Orcs. They love war bikes, war buggies, and trucks to do Dakar. Evil Sons have the most mech boys of all the clans to tune their mechs. Full of speed freaks and flyboys, the Evil Sons do Dakar purely for the thrill of being speedy. They're mega orky at driving and flying mechs. I've seen them going through Git so fast, I had to blink loads to make sure I was not seeing things. Mega good at guerrilla tactics, they're like a better version of them beakies with the weird goat trees. Well into that cult of speed, the Evil Sons are the most daring Orc pilots ever. Saving all their teeth so they can trade them for bigger and faster mechs. The Evil Sons paint everything the reddest they can to make them even speedier, sometimes with the gore of Gits. I heard they call themselves the Evil Sons cause what the Slag Umis call Ulanor used to have a big son that was dying, which the tough Orcs used to offer gore to keep it alive. Bite Boys is well faster than anything them Umis can drive, and their Dakar guns rip the beakies a new one. So fast is the Bite Boys, they kick up clouds of smoke that's so thick it protects them from shooters. I respect Evil Sons cause they're well orky, cause they charge straight at the guts of the Gits they're doing Dakar with. All in all, they fight with plenty of crump, and they is well orky.